Make the best peanut butter coffee cake with this easy recipe. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we share delicious recipes that are easy to make at home. Today, we're going to be making a peanut butter coffee cake. That's right, you heard it correctly. This coffee cake is infused with peanut butter goodness and is sure to be a hit with anyone who loves this classic flavor combo. Ingredients. To make this peanut butter coffee cake, you'll need the following ingredients. 1/2 cup creamy peanut butter. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1½ cups granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 2½ cups all-purpose flour. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 cup milk. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 cup chopped peanuts. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the peanut butter, and sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the flour mixture to the peanut butter mixture, alternating with the milk, and mix until just combined. Stir in the vanilla extract and chopped peanuts. Pour the batter into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool completely in the pan before slicing and serving. And there you have it, folks. A delicious and easy to make peanut butter coffee cake that's perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.